in here. We ripped off all the seals. So I'm just in the boiler now to clean up, but I have a friend who's a gas guy, a gas fitter, and he has come to help me out and has decided that the fridge and the heater are not safe. The heater was all corroded, and the issue is that the propane lines might have a leak in it. And also the back of the fridge, it's an old ammonia cooled fridge. We tried to start it up. The pilot light actually worked, but it was decided that ammonia can kill you pretty fast if it's leaking, and it was just so corroded that we just ripped it out.
Go check to see if that fridge is running.
Empty cavities and tell you a little bit more of what I'm planning to do with those spaces. So this is where the fridge was. The back of the fridge is accessed from the outside of the camper, and so I'm thinking of putting a cooler in here, probably this way, so I can actually open it up like a fridge. So that is my thought with this, but based on the size, it might be that I can get like 2 smaller coolers, maybe a drink cooler and a food cooler, but I found one online. I believe it was a Igloo brand. I haven't decided what I want. I know Yeti makes one, Igloo. There's another company as well that will keep ice cold for 7 to 10 days. So I think I'm just going to go that route instead of buying a fridge, because they can run about like $800 to $1,200 Canadian. And I don't know. I don't think I'm going to go any longer than that camping, 7 days. So I'm just going to see what I can get and some good options and look up the reviews for that. But if you have any thoughts, please let me know if you have a really good cooler and you think it would work in that space. But there is an outlet back there that the fridge is plugged into because it was propane and electric. And then in here, mosquitoes have found me. So we have the water line there coming to the sink. The water reservoir is cracked and corroded, so that'll be another project in itself. This is the power to it. The power goes out there if you want to plug it in. But my husband is thinking of putting some batteries under here and doing solar that we can pull out the side there and plug it into a solar panel. So that is the game plan. Today I'm just going to clean up everything under here because it's pretty nasty. And then I haven't really done much cleaning since the last time I showed you, so I'll see what I can tackle. But yeah, just ripped off the head vent out here, and I'm gonna repaint it along with the stove. But it looks a lot more fresh now, and I want to take this light out too. I think it's ugly, but the screws just keep turning, so I think they're a little rusted, or I need to figure out a way to push it from the other side.